Now, when the vehicle is in flight, will it maintain a horizontal axis, or will it have tilt capabilities as well?
It will maintain a horizontal axis. It also has a tilt capability, and we want to prevent people from actually necessarily doing that. Not that there's anything bad about doing it, but the vehicle filters out any actions that are inappropriate or dangerous. If you try to move it one direction too fast, it has a system that kind of filters out any actions that are unsafe. So you could do a tilt, but we prefer just a horizontal axis.
Preferably no barrel rolls.
Yeah, preferably no barrel rolls right now. People would want barrel rolls, I'm sure. One of the things you've got to consider is a roll bar. We'll have safety features. We'll have features that you want as a customer, for example, for your application. Some of the applications include homeland security, recreation, forest, wildlife services, emergency rescue. You can load these craft up to deliver food and medical supplies in a hurricane-devastated or earthquake-devastated area. You can pick up a downed pilot. And so the application of these are numerous. You can send it just to go a certain coordinate. It will land there. As soon as the person gets in the craft, it will get up and take off to safety with that person. So, but barrel rolls are discouraged initially. Pod races are encouraged as Star Wars. So one of the things, a group of friends could fly these 1, 2, 3-seaters together, just having fun across the sands or across the glacier, the snow up in the Arctic and so forth. So we've got a lot of interest from other spaceports, Spaceport Sweden, for example. And the applications are numerous. You can use them along the beach for recreational purposes. So instead of a jet ski, you have this hover vehicle, or we call it the Halo. Here in New Mexico, as a practical name, the Hover Airlift and Logistics Operation Vehicle, which we plan to use for a number of different reasons, but starting with the spaceport, we will demonstrate the capability of the vehicle in providing entertainment and edutainment for kids to inspire next generation, because we feel the auto volanter technology is a next generation technology which will inspire a new era in aviation in terms of personal air flight convenience. You can sit down anywhere, you can start again, you could sit down and have a picnic and then fly again, and just really avoid a lot of obstacles in the terrain by the maneuverability of this saucer, which can fly in 30 knots winds, which is pretty significant, 80 dB noise, which is kind of nominal. We can get it lower. And so it's really up to the user how they want to use it. And it's got some really very good potential. But safety is the number one issue. We won't cut any corners concerning the use of the craft. And, so initially we will have strict protocols concerning how it's used. And it's just going to be a innocuous ride, the spaceport, either remote controlled or, using the joystick manual. But initially, I think we'll control them where you get in, and it gets up and it takes you across the desert landscape, and no higher than 10 foot to start with.